So where do you think his issues with you stem from? Is it competition or is it something else?
I think in years past it might have been competition, but as reckless as he is speaking, it has to be illness. It has to be dementia. Nobody talks like that. You know that. I don't care who you are. Nobody talks like that about someone's family. Attack them so viciously, putting their wife's name in the same sentence as and almost suggesting that she could be one. I think he might have said something to that effect. Who says that? And attacks my entire family. Yeah, no one does that with good sense. And he's been an educated lawyer and a judge, so he's gotten good sense, but unfortunately it seems like he's lost them. And perhaps that's why the state of Tennessee will not allow him to practice because of his health, specifically because of his health. Look it up. Don't take my word. Don't take my word for anything I've said today. Look it all up. Homosexuality is biological. It's not a choice. Judge Brown can't practice law in Tennessee because of his health. And I don't know the specifics of that health, but he certainly exhibits dementia. And he's at that age.
Were you ever approached to push a gay agenda at any point?
Absolutely not. And he made reference to, me going to that's what they do at the Hollywood parties. I don't go to any Hollywood parties at all. Don't like them. Don't like most of the people in the industry. I do not go to any of those parties. I don't have an agent. I don't have a manager. I don't have any of that. Nobody talks to me. You know who I talk to the most? Detroiters. 80-90% of my conversations are with Detroiters, either by phone or in person when I go to Detroit, which is quite frequently, no less than every 6 weeks. And I've been out here 20 years. And the reason is we don't have the same values. And so what he says, I've heard the same thing. You've heard people say it. You heard Ted Cruz say he was at a party his agent invited him to, and another agent came up and felt on him or something another and all that old nonsense. Yeah, it does go on, but for him to suggest I'm part of that, come on. Nobody ever approached me with anything like that.
Yeah, he said that the reason why his show ended was because he wouldn't push the gay agenda.
Well, maybe they brought in cases. I will tell you this. They bring us cases because they research the cases around the country in small claim courts, and they ask the folks if they want to remove the cases and bring it to us as arbitrators. So we're really judicial arbitrators. And they sign a binding arbitration agreement. And so when they bring those cases, we can tell the producer, nah, I don't like that case. And so that could be the case. I would get a lot of gays on my show because I have no problem with it. He may have expressed a problem. He may have said, y'all keep bringing me all these gay people. This ain't the gay court. Perhaps that's what he meant by they keep trying to get him to push it. They were bringing him cases as they would bring me. And I enjoyed the opportunity to stick up for them. Not a cause, an individual. I'm about individuals. And when it comes to that, I don't know anything about transgender, so I can't stick up because I don't understand it. I have no understanding. I have no comment about anything I don't understand. But I do understand gay men. And so I'm able and competent to speak on that. Not because I'm, and anybody out have heard these crazy YouTube things, talking about I'm gay and all that. Well, any of y'all to get ready to do any of that, just see me, you woman, to see if she come back home.
Yeah, he also said that he had better ratings than Oprah at one point.
That speaks for itself. Oprah's ratings. Her and Judy has had the highest rating in daytime television in the last 30 to 40 years. Oprah made $125 million a year. Judge Judy was making $150 million a year because they get back-end profits. Joe Brown and I and the others, we make less than 10% of what they made. And so they're in a whole different category. We don't even come near them. And I'm not ashamed to say it. I never came near Judy or Oprah in the ratings. Never. Didn't come near Dr. Phil. He was ahead of us. So
Dr. Phil?
it is. Yes, Dr. Phil was ahead of us. You got to understand, daytime television is overwhelming majority white. And so, yeah, it's overwhelming majority white. And so he, white, dealt with family issues, had a nice little entertaining Southern twang, and